Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can rotate elements and items or shapes in your diagrams on Lucidchart. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your diagram. Let me go with, no, it wouldn't make sense to rotate a circle, of course. Let me go with that rectangle here. Click into it. And what you need to do, guys, is hover your mouse over one of the shape's corners. Usually it's the corner in the top left. And you will see that the cursor changes its appearance to that double-headed arrow here to the left, to the right. Click into it, hold your left mouse and simply move your mouse to rotate your element like this. And let me do that also with that rectangle. Again, click into the top left corner. And as you can see, the connectors, if your shape is connected with other elements, will adjust their position as well to that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.